Hello, this is Cardi Cartoons, and this is gonna be a video of me drawing my own kaiju design. You know, with stuff like Godzilla and stuff, with King Ghidorah and stuff. I personally never grew up with the Godzilla series, but what I've seen, I really like the monster designs, and I wanted to draw my own kaiju as well. So first off, I'm going to start off with the head. I'm drawing this from imagination, or at least what I already drew. Then going to draw the spikes up here. I'm going to erase that. Then I'm going to draw the neck right here. Then I'm going to draw the arms. I'm going to draw the back spikes. I'm going to draw the belly. Little correction I made there. You always have to correct yourself while you're drawing. Then, of course, what's a kaiju with a my camera stand does that a lot. It's very annoying. It's a kaiju with his tail. I'm gonna redo the tail right quick. I'm gonna draw the face. Very turtle-like. It does look similar to probably another kaiju that's probably official. I don't know what the name is, but it looks similar to that. And there's the head. Very alligator, very turtle-like. And yep, that's my kaiju. My kaiju character. Leave it in the comment section if it looks similar to like a certain monster in Godzilla in the type of kaiju genre. And that's it.